Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tricks of the Trade with me, Tom Court. Today we got a good trick for you, but also I have made some Stomp It t-shirts. Make sure you check out the link below this video and below all of my videos. I will be doing some giveaways in the next week, also some freeride project stuff, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, get ready for the giveaways, and let's dive into the back roll with a switch 1-footer. Okay, so for this trick, like with all tricks, you come in with speed. Kite at the regular riding position. It's easier in flat water for sure because you've got a clean takeoff. Steer the kite into the trick as if you were gonna do a regular jump. Steer it from your regular riding position up towards 12 o'clock, but you're using the back rotation and your heel edge pop to get most of the height, and you're not relying too much on the kite to deliver massive amounts of lift. However, as you go into this, you really put your weight through your back foot and lean with your upper body and your shoulders. Because this is a POV shot, it's hard to see the lean, but right here you can see how much I scoop with the board. Go into it like a regular back roll. The only difference being is you want to get your feet and legs really inverted if possible. As you go into the back roll, you let go with that back hand as if you're going to do a back roll tail grab. Lock into that tail grab nice and early in this trick. And then once you've got the grab, you use the pressure of that grab to lever your front foot out of the foot strap. Now this is a switch foot 1-footer, so what you don't want to do is let go of that grab because you're using the grab to stabilize the board. Extend that front leg as you're going around that back roll. Keep an eye on your rotation. Don't try and spot your landing before you've got your foot back into the strap because it will just distract you from the mission at hand. Slot your foot back into that strap. Make sure it's nice and tight using that grab. Still locked. Once that foot's back in the foot strap, use your head, continue the rotation and spot the landing. Come round from the back roll, let go of the grab, put both hands back on the bar. Make sure you land with the board downwind in case your foot is loose in the strap. Dive the kite into the landing, stomp it and ride away. Check back for giveaways coming soon.